Okay, now questions 28 to 32. Again, we've got yes, no, not given, and I think this is third time. Third time in this test that we're having yes, no, not given. So, okay, question number 28. Studies show. Studies means research. Findings, yeah. Studies show drugs available today, in circle today. Today is very important word here. Drugs available today can delay the process of growing old. Now, if the drugs available today can delay the process of growing old, answer is yes. If the drugs are not available today, but in future they will be available, then answer is no. And if they don't give us timeline, like today, tomorrow, future, present, past, then it is not given. Now for 28, go to first paragraph. Exactly. And by the way, you know, sometimes what do you have to do? For the first question type, start from the beginning. So we've got first paragraph here. And what does it say? As researchers on aging noted recently, no treatment on the market today has been proved to slow human aging. Right? No treatment on the market today. So in the question, what do they say? In the question, they say they are available. In the passage, they say they are not available today. So answer is no. Okay, please correct question number. It's 29. Question number 29. There is scientific evidence, underlying scientific evidence, that eating fewer calories may extend human life. Very important for those who are dieting. This is very important point. Scientific evidence is there that eating fewer calories may extend human life. So we go on to same paragraph. Calories, human life, evidence, and all that. Okay, so we are going to read it, but yeah. Those findings suggest. Now let's read one line above. They say, I'm reading it from third line, but one investigation, consumption of low calorie yet nutritionally balanced diet works incredibly well in a broad range of animals, increasing longevity and prolonging good health. Those findings suggest that caloric restriction could delay aging and increase longevity in humans too. Yes, absolutely. So from today, go on low calories and you'll be young. Question number 30. There is scientific evidence that eating fewer calories may extend human life. Answer is yes. Now, question number 30. Not many people, underline not many people. Not many people means few people, fewer people. Not many people are likely to find a caloric restricted diet attractive. Now we have caloric restricted diet, but not many people means not the majority of people will find it attractive. It's like, you know, yeah. So let's go back. Question number 30. Which paragraph? Second paragraph. Say I told you questions and answers are in order. So not many people. Unfortunately, for maximum benefit, people would probably have to reduce their caloric intake by roughly 30%. Okay. Now let's read on. Equivalent to dropping from 2500 calories a day to 1750 calories. Few mortals. Now listen. Few mortals mean few people. Few people. Few mortals mean few people could stick to chat harsh. Few mortals could stick to chat harsh or regiment. Means they will find it difficult, especially for years on end. Years on end means in their old age. So few mortals could stick to chat harsh or regiment. This is an idiomatic phrase. It means few people will find it difficult or unattractive or anything like that. Now we go back to question. Okay, the question is, not many people are likely to find caloric restricted diet attractive. Answer is yes. You know, you're doing part 3 advanced English. Okay, yeah. Now let's go on. Question number 31. Diet related diseases, underline diet related diseases, are common in older people. Now we will look for diet related diseases and they are common in older people. So which paragraph? It's the same paragraph. We go back. Okay, all right. Yeah. So let's read this paragraph from, I'm reading it from here. Let's read it from after this question mark. But such a caloric restriction, mimetic, as well as this and that. Okay. Yeah. Let's read it from here. Such. Okay, I'm reading it from could such a caloric restriction, okay, mimic as well as we call it, enable people to stay. Just a second, please, just a second. Okay, so I'm reading it from here. Now let's see. Let's go on. Postponing age-related disorders such as diabetes and this and that. Okay, until very late in life. Scientists first posed this question in mid-90s and now they have changed the topic about it. Now the question is very clear. Diet-related diseases are common in older people. Now there is no mention whether diet-related diseases are common among older people or among younger people. So that is why this answer should be not given. Very good. Okay, question number 32. In experiments, please focus that. In experiments, rats who ate, please correct it, who ate, rats who ate what they wanted led shorter lives than rats on low calorie diet. Now look for rats. Where you find rats, you'll find the answer. Absolutely. So you will find rats there in third paragraph. Good. Yeah. So let's see. I'm reading it from second line. Scientists first recognized the value of practice more than 60 years ago when they found that rats fed a low-calorie diet lived longer on average than free-feeding rats. So what is the answer? Yes, absolutely. They said that here. Read it again. In experiments, rats who ate what they wanted led shorter lives. Focus, shorter lives. Yeah. Led shorter lives than rats on low calorie diet. Answer is yes. That is yes. Okay, it's not no. Focus the question. Rats who ate what they wanted led shorter life. Now in the passage they said rats who were on low calorie diet, they had longer life. So when they had longer life, it means other rats had shorter lives, right? They mentioned that. Read again, you'll find it, okay? Yeah, thank you.